What if the world's most enchanting Christmas town was hiding in the heart of Alsace? Colmar just might take that title. Once a carefully kept secret, Colmar is now a true holiday and romantic discovery. Whether you visit during the magical winter months or in the soft colors of spring, the town will charm you with its atmosphere and the views you can enjoy from the river, or simply by wandering slowly through its streets and soaking in all the French beauty around you. From Colmar, it's easy to reach Strasbourg and many other stunning places across this beautiful region. Perfect day trips include Riekveer, Eggesheim, Kaisersberg, and each one feels like stepping straight into a scene from Beauty and the Beast or a cozy Christmas fairy tale set in a magical town that wins over every visitor. How did we travel from Belgrade to Colmar, and how can you get there too? The journey begins with a direct 2-hour flight from Belgrade, landing at the unique Euro airport Basel Mulhouse Freiburg, which sits at the meeting point of all three cities. Travelers heading to Colmar should choose the French exit. Once you step outside the airport, look for bus number 11, which takes you to the Saint Louis train station in just 5 to 10 minutes. The bus ticket costs 2.5 euros, making it a quick and easy connection before continuing by train directly to Colmar. From the Saint Louis train station, you continue your journey to Colmar by train. The ride takes about 30 to 40 minutes, giving you the chance to enjoy the comfort of French railway travel. We highly recommend purchasing your train tickets in advance, as early bookings are often cheaper. The lowest fares start at around 5 euros. Once you estimate your timing, you can buy round-trip tickets online a few weeks or even months before your trip. The website Omio, along with its matching app, stores your tickets and makes searching schedules much easier. This same app will be incredibly useful if you plan to organize day trips and explore the wider Alsace region. Tickets can also be purchased at the station or from the ticket machines, with standard prices averaging around 15 euros. Colmar offers charming ways to explore the town once you arrive. You can hop on the green tourist train, which winds through the narrowest and most picturesque streets, or enjoy a gentle boat ride at sunset, drifting through the fairytale canals that make Colmar so unforgettable. This town is so tranquil, peaceful, and magical. You can truly feel yourself relax, savor life at a slower pace, and enjoy every moment of wandering, exploring, and tasting the local delights. We explored Colmar in February, when it's quieter and more affordable, but you'll still feel the Christmas magic in Colmar, with charming ornaments, cozy lights, and festive treasures waiting around for you to explore. For me, the best way to experience Colmar is on foot, wandering its charming streets, and also hopping on the little green tourist train. Come along as we discover the town's most beautiful spots and plan some great day trips. Explore La Petite Venise in Colmar, Alsace. Colorful canals, storybook streets, and charming cafes make this quarter perfect for a romantic stroll or unforgettable photos. Step inside Colmar's indoor market and discover a vibrant mix of local flavors, fresh produce, and artisan products. Perfect for foodies exploring Alsace, France, this market is a cozy spot to taste regional specialties any time of year. And when it comes to foodie delights, you absolutely must try tarte flambée, the iconic Alsatian specialty. Tarte flambée is a thin, crispy flatbread topped with creamy cheese, onions, and smoky bacon. It's baked until golden and perfect for a cozy snack or light meal. Best enjoyed with a glass of local wine. Did you know that Colmar, Alsace, France, is the birthplace of Frederick Auguste Bartholdi, the sculptor of the original Statue of Liberty? In the town, you can see a smaller Statue of Liberty replica, a charming tribute to the iconic monument in New York. Stroll through Colmar's old town during the Christmas season and soak in the festive spirit colorful buildings, and fairy tale charm that make this Alsatian town unforgettable. And if you want to discover Colmar even more, I highly recommend the Toy Museum and the Chocolate Museum. Fun for kids, and especially delightful for adults who still keep a little child alive inside. We took a day trip to Strasbourg, a magnificent city in Alsace, France, famous for its stunning Notre Dame Cathedral and the scenic Badarama boat tours through the canals. You'll feel the contrast between a small town and a bustling city, but Strasbourg is truly a gem. The Badarama boat ride made the city feel cinematic, with charming canals and a few delightful surprises that I'll leave for you to discover. Notre Dame Cathedral in Strasbourg. I honestly don't have the words. You just stop and stare, completely mesmerized by its beauty. For our next visit, I'd love to explore some of the smaller Alsace towns like Eguisheim, Ribeauvillé, Riquewihr, and Turkheim. What's your favorite town in Alsace? Or which one is still on your travel bucket list? Share your thoughts with our travel community in the comments, and we'll see you very soon on our next European adventure. Thank you for being part of our journey. Keep exploring, keep dreaming, and let the world surprise and inspire you at every step.